I had an idea of making maybe with those eyes and go like that, and then you go and you put in the background call like that.
Wow! Oh God! Walrus is coming.
Walrus? Oh, my shout.
Oh.
Wait, my pants.
Why do you make fun of John?
I don't know. What this thing has been through with me?
Has been through everything with me.
This thing has been through everything.
Yo, you better record me and put me on Facebook.
Someone come down.
I will record you and put on your Facebook.
Peace.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. We're small head here.
Okay. Here's for Jasmine. Okay. It's going on Facebook. It's going on Facebook. Say hi to Jasmine. Say hi to her.
Yeah, so.
Okay, don't say hi to her. Say bye to her. Okay, that makes sense.
I said hi.
Oh, okay. Oh! No! You're so cute. Wait. I want you as a baby. Hi. Wait, Mom. Run, now run.
Run.
Aww. She got stolen.
Is that the call flag? Do Miss Wagner.
Do.
I know.
Oh my God. 3. That was funny. I can't say it. Don't stop coughing. Your mom gives food, so it's really nice too.
Don't say that you like my mom because she gives you food.
My mom. Strong. When you're weary. We're coming to my locker right now, and then we'll be there in like
Special sweater. Flag. Oh my God, I have to read the duck song. Walked up to the lemonade stand and he said,
no, sing it on the beat. Hey! Granny grapes.
The man
said, no, we just sell lemonade, but it's cold, it's fresh, and it's all homemade. Can I get you a glass? The duck said, I'll pass. Then he waddled away.
Waddle, waddle, waddle. And the very next day, bum, 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 bum. The duck walked into a lemonade stand and he said to the man, run the stand. Hey! Bum, bum, bum. Got any grapes? The man said, no, we didn't. Park. The duck song.
And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting a jar of hearts and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from
Sam, what are you doing? Sam, no! Stop peeing on people's bloods! Oh God. We're over it.
Ellis, good thing
She's left.
Ellis, good thing
Son,